Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mahindra B-275, one of the most reliable and iconic tractors in Mahindra's lineup. This model carries forward the legacy of the classic B-275, but with some new age upgrades that make it better suited for today's farming needs. At first glance, the 2025 B-275 keeps its traditional rugged look. It has a strong and simple design that's built to last, just like the old versions. But Mahindra has added subtle changes to improve performance and comfort. Under the hood, it comes with a powerful 39 HP engine that delivers great torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty work like plowing, tilling, and hauling. The engine is fuel-efficient too, which is a big plus for farmers looking to save money on diesel. The gearbox features 8 forward and 2 reverse gears, giving better control and flexibility during operation. The clutch is smooth, and gear shifting feels easier compared to older models. Another upgrade is the power steering option, which makes driving more comfortable, especially for longer hours in the field. One of the most appreciated changes in the 2025 model is the improved seating and dashboard. The seat is more cushioned and adjustable, reducing fatigue during long workdays. The dashboard is modernized with clear indicators for fuel, engine temperature, and RPM, simple but very helpful additions. When it comes to hydraulics, the B-275 continues to impress. It offers a lifting capacity of around 1,500 kg, which means it can handle most farm implements with ease. Whether you're using a cultivator, rotavator, or trailer, this tractor is up for the task. Farmers will also appreciate its low maintenance costs. Mahindra tractors are known for durability, and the B-275 is no exception. Spare parts are easily available, and the company's service network is strong across rural areas. In short, the 2025 Mahindra B-275 is a perfect blend of tradition and technology. It's simple, strong, and smart, just what today's farmers need. If you're thinking about getting a tractor that delivers consistent performance without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow tractor lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on farming machines.